Hello class, good morning to you all. Well, we were studying about app development in the previous video, so today we will continue with that. The book from which the paper will be based for your examination is being finalized from the council, and that is CIT by Riti Prakashan. But you people don't have to buy this book because I am going to send all the PDF of the respective chapters as well as notes, so don't worry about buying the book at all. The book you are having is enough for information. Everything else required for the examination purpose will be provided. So let's continue with our chapter. We are very well aware of how to download any app from Play Store or an App Store or a Microsoft Store in case of Android, iOS and computer respectively. Now we will know about uses of some of the popular apps. The first to discuss is Wikipedia, Wiki Encyclopedia. As the name suggests itself, give us all the information we search for by just a single keyword. Next is Matrix Navigator. So this app will provide the exact position of anything you're looking for. It will help you navigate to the exact address with the house number. Next is an app which is very well known for all of us, and that is WhatsApp. I don't think that there is anybody who is not aware with WhatsApp. This is a very convenient app for individual chat or a group chat. It even provides the facility of voice call and video call. You can also send attachment here on WhatsApp like images, video, voicemail, contact, location, document, etc. Next thing is net banking from your mobile or laptop itself. All you have to do is download the app of the bank in which your account is assigned. Like if you are using SBI Bank, then you download SBI banking app, and same in case of any other banking app. Once you will have the account, then there you will find several options on your screen. You can select options from there on what you want to do, like transaction, checking your account, balance, recharge, etc. Before all this, every banking app will provide you with some security and privacy. Like you will get your own ID and password. So, when the app will be installed, you will first log into your account, then you will generate for PIN which will known only by you to make your account secure. To make your banking work more easier, there are now some other apps are available like Paytm, Bheem, Google Pay, Phone Pay, etc. They all somewhat work in the same way. All you have to do is link your bank account with them and create your own account there. Coming to the next, now that is ePathshala. This is a very vital application for students, teachers and parents. This app is launched by NCERT. You will download this from Play Store, and once the app is installed, then you have to select the option of continue as teacher or a student or a parent, and after that, if you have continued as a student, Then you select your class. According to that, you will be provided by your respective books. From there, you can download the book for offline reading. So class, with this we have completed the chapter and hope you have understood it well. I will send the PDF of entire chapter with question and answer. Till then, keep listening the video to understand the chapter more thoroughly. Thank you. Take care of you.